Hey, what's up guys, it's LBS here again. Today we're going to be checking out another multi-purpose vacuum cleaner. It is pretty much similar to the one that I just did a while back ago. It's got a pressure gauge, it can pump your tire, and of course you've got the vacuum cleaner itself. So let's open it up guys. There's really nothing much on the box here, so let's get right at it. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so here we go. So we've got the hose here, extension hose. You've got accessories for the tip, nozzles, another tip. It's got the brush at the end there. Another tip. Okay. It's a longer nozzle to reach those tight spaces. And you've got this to pump your tires, bicycle tires, basketball, or pretty much anything, guys. And you got your instruction manual, and of course you've got the vacuum cleaner itself here, guys. Alright, look at that. It's in gold color. I think this is the only color that you get to pick. And looking at it guys, it looks very futuristic. You've got your gauge right there for the PSI, for the tire pressure. This must be your light. It comes with an LED light right there. And everything's made of plastic, guys. This one comes out if you press this, and you've got your filter right there. Alright. Again, everything is powered by the cigarette lighter here, guys. It doesn't have the standard power plug here, so you have to plug this inside your car and so on. And right here, this is your nozzle for the air to come out. So here is the nozzle. This one just fell out from the table here. So it's pretty much similar to the other vacuum cleaner that I did earlier back ago, guys. So like that, and then you'll able to pump your tires and so on. I will be testing this out outside again in my car and see how this thing performs, guys. But in the meantime, overall the product seems pretty solid. It's okay, the weight, it's pretty light. And yeah, so let's check it out guys and see how this thing performs. Alright guys, so here we go. This is your vacuum switch, and this is your pump. And here is your light, guys. Since my car is still clean, let's grab some coins here and try to vacuum them up, guys. So here we go. As you can see, it can vacuum your coins. Imagine what you can do to the dirt, guys. So that's no problem. So now let's check out the tire pressure here. We're gonna pump our tire and see how that thing will do. Alright, so let's plug this like so, and then we'll plug it on my tire here. Okay, and there is your pressure gauge right there, guys, your air gauge. Alright, and we can start pumping. So there you have it, guys. That is my review on the multi-purpose car vacuum cleaner. If you guys are interested in getting one for yourself, I will put a link in the description below. So far, this vacuum is pretty handy when you're out and about on a long trip, or just having it around in your car. It's got pretty much everything that you need for your car necessity. And yeah, guys, so go check them out. And again, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.